As a leader in novel bitumen additives, Sripath Technologies develops products for roofing and building envelope applications that enable waterproofing membranes to withstand the tests of time and weather. With a simple, low dose, Sripath's additives help generate user-friendly, durable, and cost-effective roofing products. Manufacturers benefit from a streamlined production process, and contractors benefit from a hassle-free installation with fewer callbacks. Routinely used to manufacture superior roofing compounds, Sripath products are used by our customers to improve waterproofing and self-adhering membranes, high-temperature underlayment membranes, and create a great mopping bitumen. Get better flexibility and adhesion, increase filler loadings, or improve compatibility with traditional polymers. Our products can also alter the softening point penetration profile that accepts a wider range of incoming quality streams of bitumen. PG Expand, a unique polymer additive, reduces viscosity and offers dramatic high-temperature performance improvements, all with easy low-shear incorporation. With PG Expand, you can minimize SBS content, improve viscosity, support higher filler loading, and provide better stability. Renewbit, a proprietary blend of petrochemical oils, is widely used to improve properties of roofing compounds. It promotes polymer compatibility and stability in polymer-modified bitumen. Renewbit reduces viscosity and improves low-temperature adhesion of self-adhered membranes to a variety of substrates. Our all-natural bio-based oil new mixer improves low-temperature performance in compounds while increasing adhesion to a variety of substrates, all while offering excellent aging properties. With Sripath products, you can customize your bitumen formula to meet your specific needs. Compared to traditional formulations, our additives result in measurable time and money savings. Through extensive R&D, testing, and a proven track record, Sripath's full line of bitumen modifiers are uniquely designed to make asphalt better. At Sripath, we are raising the roof on performance, durability, and cost efficiency. Tested, proven, trusted since 2006. Sripath. Make asphalt better.